petrol prices have been raised by rupees 2 to rupees 2.3 per litre, impacting fuels like Indian Oil's XP95 and HPCL Power Petrol. Industrial diesel prices jumped sharply to rupees 109.59 from rupees 87.67 per litre, increasing cost pressures, while regular petrol and diesel remain unchanged. Pakhala Divas is being observed across the globe on Friday, celebrating Odisha's culinary heritage. A grand Pakhala Parab was held at OTDC in Bhubaneswar, with Chief Minister Mohan Majhi attending and relishing the traditional dish, highlighting its deep cultural significance in Odia identity. A fire broke out at a market complex near CRP Square in Bhubaneswar around 10 am Friday. Firefighters used oxygen support to enter smoke-filled premises and douse flames. Several shops were damaged, but no injuries reported. Chief Justice Surya Kant rescued himself from hearing petitions challenging the 2023 law on appointing election commissioners, citing a possible conflict. The law excludes the CJI from the selection panel, replacing him with a union minister, overturning a Supreme Court ruling earlier that year. President Draupadi Murmu met Revered Saint Premanand Maharaj at his Sri Hit Radha Keli Kunj Ashram in Vrindavan, Uttar Pradesh. The meeting marked a key highlight of the President's ongoing 3-day visit to Uttar Pradesh, where she is participating in religious ceremonies and public engagements. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation has directed airline companies to avoid several airspaces in West Asia amid the ongoing US-Israel-Iran conflict. The regulator has asked flight operations firms to refrain from operating in the airspace of Bahrain, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Qatar, and the United Arab Emirates. Iran has executed 19-year-old wrestler Saleh Mohammadi along with Saeed Davodi and Mehdi Ghasmi in public hangings in Qom. They were accused in the killing of 2 policemen during January 8 protests. Activists say the move marks an escalation in the crackdown on dissent. The 50,000-ton USS Tripoli carrying over 2,000 Marines of the 31st MEU is set to enter the North Arabian Sea around March 22 to 23. Currently south of Sri Lanka, it will reinforce the USS Abraham Lincoln Group amid the ongoing US-Israel-Iran conflict. Dhurandhar The Revenge opened strong, earning Rs 102.55 crore net across 21,728 shows on day 1 in India. It surpassed the first-day collections of Shah Rukh Khan's Jawan, becoming not only the highest-opening Hindi film, but also the only A-rated Indian film to achieve such a massive day 1 total. Bangladesh may review clearance for players in PSL amid Pakistan-Afghanistan tensions. The board has issued NOCs to 6 players, but Chairman Nazmul Abdin said government approval will now be short, citing security risk due to the current situation.